Hey everyone, today we're diving into a serious topic with a sprinkle of humor to keep things light. Listeria outbreak in New York, yep, it's a thing, and it's all thanks to some deli meats gone rogue. So, what's the scoop? Well, New York has the highest number of cases, with 12 reported already. This Listeria party is tied to contaminated deli meats, specifically from boar's head. Over 200,000 pounds of these products have been recalled. Think liverwurst and a bunch of other meaty delights. Across the U.S., there are 34 reported infections, 33 hospitalizations, and unfortunately, 2 fatalities. That's why it's crucial to take this seriously, folks. Listeria symptoms are like the flu's not-so-fun cousin: fever, headache, muscle aches. It's particularly nasty for pregnant women, older adults, and anyone with a compromised immune system. Now, what should you do if you have these meats chilling in your fridge? First, toss them out. I know, it's hard parting with good food, but trust me, it's not worth the risk. Even if that liverwurst looks and smells perfectly fine, don't take the chance. Next up, channel your inner clean freak. Scrub down any surface that might have come into contact with the contaminated meats. Countertops, cutting boards, knives, fridge shelves, give them a good cleaning. We're talking thorough sanitation here to stop any nasty listeria from spreading. This outbreak is a serious reminder of why food safety practices are so important. Always be vigilant about what's in your fridge, and don't forget to check for recalls. It might just save you a trip to the hospital. All right, that's it for today's update on the Listeria scare. Stay safe, stay informed, and maybe lay off the deli meats for a bit. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Catch you all later.